what's up, gang? Let's head to Memphis, Tennessee. Let's get into it.
I've been on the grind, yeah. Trying to perfect the shine, yeah. But they've been on my back, bro. Trying to see how I act, bro. Frenemies on attack, bro. Listen, man, I ain't perfect. No. I've been on this road way too long, I hope it's worth it. Man, this ain't the Shem way. How am I stuck up in this circus? All this God-given talent, what's the purpose? If I was shown another way, would I persist? Yeah. You ever had to play optimistic, but you're hopeless? Bank account is up and down. Bet you wish that you were broke less. I know. You tried to blow the stress away, but you thought that you should smoke less. At times I sat alone, I thought I could have spoke less. It's all for the bigger reason, watch the progress. Watch it. I've been on the grind, yeah. Trying to perfect the shine, yeah. But they've been on my back, bro. Trying to see how I act, bro. Frenemies on the top, bro. There's a lot of things that I can say to you. So pay attention, frenemies in the breeze playing cool. Grab the sack and light the track with the flame and held the proof. They can say what they want to do, but you know what I want and what's the truth. I've been on the grind, yeah. Trying to perfect the shine, but they've been on my back, bro. Trying to see how I act, bro. Frenemies on the top, bro. There's a lot of things that I can say to you. So pay attention, frenemies in the breeze playing cool. Grab the sack and light the track with the flame and held the proof. They can say what they want to do, but you know what I want and what's the truth. Trying to perfect the shine, yeah. But David on my back, bro. Trying to see how I act, bro. Frenemies on the top, bro. Yeah.
Hey, any given Tuesday, I'm with it. I been locked in, no kidding, on a new way. Full send it, can't leave it, I know dubs. Any given Tuesday, I'm with it. I been locked in, no kidding, on a new way. Full send it, can't leave it, I know dubs. any given Tuesday, I'm with it. I been locked in, no kidding on a new way. Fool send this, can't leave without no dub. Any given Tuesday, I'm with it. I been locked in, no kidding on a new way. Fool send this, can't leave without no dub. Any given Tuesday, I'm with it. I been locked in, no kidding on a new way. Fool send this, can't leave without no dub. Any given Tuesday, I'm with it. I been locked in, no kidding on a new way. Fool send this, can't leave without no dub.
Snap, get it, post 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 snap, get it.
It's your birthday, best friends in the club, bottles up, turning up, clap, 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 clap. It's your birthday. 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 Now stop. Post for me.
Post snap, get it, 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 get it.
You with your best friends in the club, bottles up, turning up, clap, 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 clap. It's your birthday, best friends in the club, bottles up, turning up, clap, 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 clap. It's your birthday. 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 Now stop. Post for me.
Post snap, get it, 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 get it.
Top scanner broken. Use bottom card to swipe gate. No. Ooh.
It's never gonna stop. Never gonna stop. It's never gonna stop. It's never gonna stop. Ain't gonna stop. Never gonna stop. It's never gonna stop. It's never gonna stop. Ain't gonna stop. Never gonna stop. It's never gonna stop. I feel never gonna stop. Ain't gonna stop. Never gonna stop. It's never gonna stop. I feel never gonna stop.
All right, gang. This is actually my first time over here at this terminal. This is the Memphis, Tennessee terminal. I've never been here before. This is actually my first time coming here. I had a load that I was picking up over there in Mississippi, and it was really close to Memphis. So I do need to shower. So I figure I will stop by the terminal since I've never been here before and go check it out, and take a shower and just check it out. So I've only so far been to the Tucker terminal, Tampa terminal, and now the Memphis, Tennessee terminal. Excuse me. So here it is. Let's go check it out. Alright, so I've never been in here. Like I said, I'm not sure where the hell I go in at. I'll walk around to the front. I'm not sure how this works. I'm gonna go back over there where the shop was at. Maybe I can get in that way, or get in that way. Looks like I can get in that way. Let's try it. This terminal is actually kind of small. They got a lot of parking though. I do like that. Service, lounge, bathrooms, operation. Don't look like it's too much of nothing to this shit. They don't play about them dogs. These are showers? Showers?
snap, get it, pose 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 snap, get it.
In the club, bottles up, turning up, clap, 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 clap. It's your birthday. Best friends in the club, bottles up, turning up, clap, 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 clap. It's your birthday. 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 Now stop. Pose for me.
Pose snap, get it, 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 pose snap, get it.
It's your birthday. Best friends in the club, bottles up, turning up, clap, 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 clap. It's your birthday. 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 Now stop. Pose for me.
Pose snap, get it, 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 pose snap.
Well, gang, that's pretty much it. Ain't much to see here. Clearly, it's really small here. It's basic. There's really not much to see over here in Memphis. I was expecting a little bit more, but hey, it is what it is. Well, gang, that's it. Thanks for coming with me to check out the Marten Transport Terminal over here in Memphis, Tennessee. As I stated, ain't much to see around these camp, but you know, it was cool to get to see what was going on over here on the Tennessee side. You feel me? Anywho, I'm sending you all a cyber love, peace, and good vibes y'all way. Y'all already know my spiel. If you out there getting them shit coins, baby, get that bag, be safe. Don't let a motherfucker take you out of your square. Make sure you drink some water and make sure you mind the business that pays you. And make sure you cop your Honey Tribe merch today. Anywho, it's your favorite cousin, Lady Luck, aka the Street Prophet, aka the Highway Honey. Until next time, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next vlog. Namaste.